What are TikTok Shop ads? TikTok Shop ads are paid promotional campaigns that help sellers showcase and sell their products directly through TikTok's integrated shopping platform. These ads blend entertainment with commerce, allowing brands and creators to display products within short videos, live streams, and in-feed promotions. The main goal of TikTok Shop ads is to drive traffic, boost engagement, and convert viewers into buyers without leaving the TikTok app. TikTok Shop ads come in several formats, including in-feed ads, Spark ads, top view ads, and live shopping ads. Each ad type serves a different purpose. Some build awareness, while others focus on direct conversions. With tools like Helium 10, sellers can analyze ad performance, track conversion rates, and identify the best performing content styles and audiences for their campaigns. Successful sellers on TikTok Shop use Helium 10's analytics to monitor sales results and refine ad strategies. By studying which videos attract the most engagement and which creatives drive actual sales, they can optimize their ad spend and achieve higher AROI. This combination of creativity and data ensures that every ad not only entertains, but also converts. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to professional analytics tools that help you plan, track, and optimize your TikTok Shop ad campaigns for maximum performance and growth.